Welcome to Project A 4x4x4 Bigfoot by Hot Wheels Monster Truck from the series Blizzard Basher. Bigfoot. Here are the stats of the truck and other available monster truck of the series. Let's rip it open. It includes a recrushable off-white car made of rubber. The monster truck itself. An iconic Bigfoot Hot Wheels decal on either side, with a nice white and blue paint job giving the truck a chilling vibe to it. A chrome front bumper and engine on the hood to complement the color. Blue tinted windshield. Blue chassis to not get a monotonous tone on the truck. And best part about this is it has tracks instead of big tires. The tracks swivel, but unfortunately it doesn't work. But the track has a great molding. They put on two small wheels on each track to keep the monster truck rolling. Here's a side-by-side comparison with the 1:64 scale Power Smasher Mega Wrex. Side by side with the 1:24 scale Hot Wheels Monster Truck Oversized Bigfoot. And lastly, a side-by-side with the 1:64 scale Hot Wheels Monster Truck Big Rigs Cage Rattler. Would you consider this in your monster truck collection? Follow for more monster truck content. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button.